Hey everyone, today's video I will guide you on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. After watching this video, you can launch your own limited liability company in New Jersey using an app called Busy. I'll provide you with every up-to-date information that you need to know with Busy and the tools that you need to successfully establish your business. So first of all you have to do is dive into busy.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information, but before, let's know what is Busy and why we use Busy. Busy offers a suite of tools for project management, team collaboration, and workflow optimization, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you are a startup or a well-established company, Busy helps you boost your productivity, enhance communication, and drive growth. Embrace the future of efficient business management with Busy, where simplicity meets innovation. So the first thing that you have to do is just click over from your free LLC now, and you have firstly to select the entity type LLC and the state it's New Jersey, as you can see. Then we have here three packages that you will have to choose one of them. So the first one we have basic, it's for free, but the state fee it's $130 and it's for 3 weeks. We have here the characteristic it's preparing and filling the articles of organization, free first year registered agent service, and we have also online access dashboard, business banking account offer, and business tax consultation. About the second one, we have the standard one. It's for $199 plus $130 for state fee, and we have 2 weeks here. And we have lifetime compliance alerts, and we have a limited phone and email support. We have also here form 2553, and this is the characteristic of this one. Then let's move on to the next one, and the last package we have the premium one. So it's $299 plus $113 state fee, and it's for 1 day. About this one, we have expedited filing and business contract templates also, and we have also here domain name plus business email. And that's it for this one again, and let's choose one of these packages, and you click over get started, and then you'll find company information. So you have to write your LLC name, for example Mike, and you choose LLC here, and then you click on business purpose and you write something like selling clothes, for example, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find here state fill-in time. Typical state fill-in time for New Jersey is 3 weeks. In a hurry, New Jersey offers unexpected fill-in option as well. Select the fill-in time that best meets your needs. So the first one we have on business day fill-in time, and it's for $50, and we have this one, it's for free, but it takes 3 weeks fill-in time. So I'll choose the first one. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find contact person. About this one, you have to provide the name of the person responsible for this order whom you may contact if additional information is needed. So you write your first name, your last name, your email address, and your mobile phone. Then you click over next. Then you have the next page, it's company address information. About this one, you have to choose between a professional business address and virtual mail service, and use my own address here. About this first one, we have keeping your personal address confidential, real-time text and email notification of any incoming mail, maintain a physical presence even if you are not physically there, permanent digital access to your mail anywhere in the world. So about this one, you have to pay $29 per month, so I will choose this one. And then you have to write your personal information. So about the second one, we have your company address information, like street address, city, and New Jersey here. New Jersey. This is New Jersey, and the zip code here, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find premium service package. Here we have the package total is $99. So you click over get limited time offer. And then here you select the number of members. So I'll select one. Then I will click over here to link my personal information. Then you click over next again. Once you do that, you will find registered agent information. New Jersey requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. About this one, we have assigned Busy as my registered agent fee for 1 year, and we have here I would like to act as my own registered agent. For sure, I will choose the first one, and then I will click over next again. Then we have tax identification number information. We have here an employer identification number. It's a 9-digit number that is designed the LLC that used to identify taxpayers will pay an option year from the electronically. This option is the fastest way to opt in. So firstly, I will click over yes, I agree. I am a foreign individual and I do not have a social security number. And then I click over here to blank my personal information, and then I will click over next again. Then we have setting up small business banking. About this one, you have just to read this information, then you click over ask me later, or yes, I'm interested. So then we have tax strategy here, free consultation. About this one, you have just to read this. Consultation can help you identify important tax deductions, provide insight into the IRS tax classification of your new business. The offer is completely free of charge and does not obligate you in any way. So I will click over the first one. Yeah, I'm not interested at this time, and then I will click over next again. Once you do that, you will just find business license and permits. About this one, if you want, the team of licensing specialists will conduct the research for you and determine all the licenses and permits you need to stay compliant and receive the applications along with a guide to the next steps via email. So the first one, no thanks, I will do the work myself, or yes, please mail the applications, $99. If the application do that, those three things, you will have to pay $99. So I will choose the first one, or let's choose the second one. Then I will click over next again. Then we have order summary 4. So here we have formation info, contact info, agent info, company address and contact address, and member info here, business license and permits, tax info. So we have here edit. You have just to verify your personal information here. If you did a mistake, you click over edit and you modify it. Then you click over next if all thanks it's good. The last thing is billing information. About this step, all you have to do is just choose people or card credits. Then you click over here to link your personal information also here, and you write also the card number and expiry date here. Once you do that, you click over I agree to the legal statement, here, and you click over I agree here, and then you click over complete and pay, and you have to pay $577. So as you guys can see, with the help of Busy, you can create your own LLC in New Jersey with the straightforward guided process, not to mention how affordable and hassle-free it is. I hope this video has made the process clearer and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more business tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead.